Today we're going to talk about something that might surprise you, chia seeds. They may be small, but these tiny little seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. In this video, we'll be discussing the incredible benefits of eating chia seeds every day. Loaded with nutrients. Chia seeds are a great source of nutrients. They're packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and significant amounts of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Helps with digestion. Because of their high fiber content, chia seeds can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and expands in your stomach, which can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. Promotes heart health. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. They can also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are both risk factors for heart disease. Improves brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids are also important for brain health, and chia seeds are an excellent source of these essential fatty acids. Eating chia seeds every day can help improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. Regulates blood sugar. Chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes. The high fiber content in chia seeds slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. Boosts energy. Chia seeds are a great source of energy. They contain a combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, and provide a sustained release of energy throughout the day. In conclusion, chia seeds are a true superfood that offer a wide range of benefits for our health. Eating chia seeds every day can help improve digestion, promote heart health, improve brain function, regulate blood sugar, and boost energy levels. So, why not add some chia seeds to your diet today and start reaping the benefits for yourself?